Welcome to today's video. I'm unboxing the new TOZO NC20 from the renowned international brand TOZO. As they say, TOZO just for good sound. And what's really incredible is that you get all these features in a very budget-friendly package, coming in under $50. Let's take a look at this earphone with its built-in screen, gold standard sound quality, and super long 80 hours battery life. To be honest, the moment I held it, I felt the earphone case had a very good texture. The rounded shape and well-controlled size use the currently popular gunmetal finish, creating a metallic-like texture that looks especially beautiful under light. The material also feels great to the touch, is not easy to get dirty, and doesn't leave fingerprints. However, the black part on the front is the opposite. Of course, this is a trade-off made to accommodate the display screen. There is a vertical display screen in the middle that can show the battery level of the charging case, the percentage display, and can also display the battery level of the left and right earphones separately in a dot graph. You can know how much battery the earphones have left without connecting to a phone, which is really convenient. The display effect is also very clear in outdoor sunlight. Taking out the earphones, you can see that the structure is very compact, a short pancake type. The earphones use the same material as the outer case, and the texture is very good. Each earphone weighs 5.3 grams, which is relatively light. There is no burden during use. The waterproof rating reaches IPX8. It can be said to be among the top-tier products of its kind. It not only prevents sweat during exercise and rain from getting wet, but even short-term water ingress is no problem. The official statement is rather conservative and does not recommend using it in water. The wearing experience is as described. What do you think? I think it combines the characteristics of regular headphones and bean-shaped headphones. The overall design is relatively understated, but the metallic reflective texture gives it some recognizability. The touch operation virtual button area is located around this position, which is not easy to accidentally touch. The sensitivity is also quite good. You can customize the operation of the left and right ears in the app. It comes with 6 sets of ear tips, which is enough to fit most people's ear canals. You can choose the one you like. Speaking of acoustic configuration, it is equipped with a 12mm dual magnetic driver and supports the LDAC codec for high-res audio wireless, which means it achieves the so-called gold standard sound quality. I have to say that TOZO's EQ system is really well done. The official app provides as many as 32 preset sound effect modes. Scrolling down the list, there are really many choices. In addition to simple bass enhancement and treble enhancement, there are many different styles of sound effects for you to experience. Of course, you can also customize the EQ. Each frequency band can be freely adjusted to find the feeling that suits you. You can also turn on the immersive spatial sound effect. At this time, you can't use EQ tuning. The overall listening experience will be more spacious. It really makes you want to step into a 3D soundscape with spatial audio sound effects, bringing your favorite movie, games, and music to life. You can try it when playing games or watching movies. The Bluetooth version is 5.4, which is average at this point in time. To be honest, the latency is lower than I expected. In the official app, you can turn on the low latency mode and play most games on the market. The audio synchronization is good and there is no lag. The self-made dual-device copper sickle can also be switched between devices on different systems, which is very convenient. However, it should be noted that the gold standard audio quality cannot be turned on at the same time. The powerful hybrid active noise cancellation depth standard can reach -52 decibels. In the app, you can see that there are 6 modes to choose from. Most of the time, you can choose adaptive noise reduction. In fact, it uses a deep noise reduction algorithm. You can listen to the effect. As an AI-era headset, like the TOZO headsets we reviewed before, it offers 4 main functions in the official app. Among them, I think the face-to-face translation is the most useful. It's worth mentioning that the AI function of the official app can be used independently of the headset, which is really practical. You can use it as a daily translation in speech-to-text software. So, this is a well-rounded headset with no shortcomings, especially when you consider that under $50 price point. The metallic texture and vertical display screen make both the earphone case and the headset itself look great. Especially noteworthy is the exceptionally long battery life for a gold label headset. You can also use its AI function for meeting notes or instant translation at work, which is very practical. There should be an upgraded version with the color multifunctional screen in the future. If you have a sufficient budget, you can also consider it. Okay, that's all for the TOZO NC20. If you found this comprehensive review of the TOZO NC20 headphones helpful, please give it a like, comment, and share to show your support. See you in the next video.